Very good evening and warm welcome to everyone present out here on our talk on how to market your product and business nationally and make a national level brand, the Plaster Story. So we have with us Mr. Vishal Agrawal, but before that I request our chairperson, Ms. Shilpa Agrawal, to kindly give away the opening address.
Good evening, everyone. I welcome you all on behalf of VIA Marketing Forum. Friends, in today's industrialized world, manufacturing has become relatively easier. I feel because of technology and machines, which are a lot cheaper and are now easily available. And due to this scenario, sales and earning profits have become difficult day by day. And therefore, branding is becoming the most important differentiator. For example, in a mobile industry company, there are hundreds of companies which are making and manufacturing and selling mobiles at a very, very cheap price. And in fact, at times, they give better features and better configuration than the market leader, Apple. But Apple, because of its branding power, is ruling this company and is making the most profitable company just because of the brand power. He doesn't even manufacture the mobile, but still. So friends, I'm happy that Mr. Vishal Agrawal, who is the creator, who has been creating that brand Plasto, he's a person who is behind the brand Plasto, is going to share with us the story of success and how he made brand Plasto on a national platform within a short period of time. Thank you.
Thank you, Shilpa. I now request our Honorable Secretary, VIA, Dr. Suhas Bhuteji, to kindly welcome Mr. Vishal Agrawal, Director, RC Plasto Tanks and Pipes Private Limited, with floral compliments. And I now request Ashrita to hand over floral compliments again to Vishalji for being felicitating him for being re-elected as the president of PPIA. So our double dhamal there, so we have that. Yeah. Moving forward, I mean, Mr. Vishal doesn't need any introduction though, but as a formality, I'll just introduce him. Mr. Vishal completed his BE in Industrial Engineering from Ramdev Baba College of Engineering in the year 1996. He's the president of Vidarbha Plastics Industries Association and executive member of Vidarbha Industries Association. He also served as vice president of Vidarbha Management Association in the past. He's also an active Rotarian and member of Entrepreneur Organization. Under his able leadership and guidance, RC Plasto Tanks and Private Limited has grown leaps and bounds. Today, Plasto Group is an ISO 9001-2008 certified company, is a well-known brand even in far-flung areas of the country. The company is marketing its products under the brand name Plasto. Its products ranges from HDPE pipes, PVC pipes, column pipes, garden pipes, SWR pipes, ASTM pipes, sprinkler pipes, CPVC pipes, PVC fittings, SWR fittings, and I can actually go on the list is ended. I'll just move further. With a strong focus on rigorous quality control, compliances with industrial standards and fair prices, Plasto has emerged as a dominant name in the area of manufacturing. Today, its business network is spread over 22 states in India. The group is also engaged in manufacturing of PVC heat shrink sleeves, PVC heat shrink films, shape seal pouch, BOPP, wraparound, and so on. And recent appealing advertisement of Plasto products in electronic media, that is in Aaj Tak, IBN Lokmat, India TV, CNBC Awaaz, and NDTV with all leading newspapers has given new impetus and boost to its sales volume, and Plasto products have made its presence felt at a national level. In a very short span, Plasto Group has been awarded with the status of mega project by Government of Maharashtra at Advantage Vidarbha. Mr. Vishal Agrawal has been awarded with the Best Entrepreneur Award by DIC in 2012 and Navratna Award by MIA in 2012. I now request you, sir. I think that really deserves a huge round of applause for our two speakers. Mr. Vishal Agrawal, the podium is all yours, sir.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you, Shikha. Thank you, Shilpa. And thank you, VIA, for giving me this opportunity. Yes, sir. Hello. Sir. तो जैसे आप सब लोग जानते हैं, प्लास्टो ग्रुप हमारा जो है ये आरसी अग्रवाल एंड फैमिली को बिलोंग करता है। हम लोग सबसे पहले विशाल कूलर से स्टार्ट किया था हमने हमारा बिजनेस, फिर विशाल फर्नीचर हमने स्टार्ट किया और काफ़ी बिजनेसेस करके हम लोग अभी लास्ट में 5 टैंक फिटिंग्स और एक प्लास्टिक का हमारा जो डिवीजन है, इस पे हम लोग ज़्यादा कॉन्सेंट्रेट कर रहे हैं। ये यूनिट 1998 में ग्रेजुएशन के बाद मैंने अपने हाथ में लिया था। तब ये इतना सक्सेसफुल नहीं था, ब्रांड स्ट्रगलिंग ब्रांड था। तो इनिशियली इसकी एक्सेप्टेंस नहीं थी मार्केट में और हम लोग मेनली गवर्नमेंट प्रोजेक्ट्स में कॉन्सेंट्रेट करते थे, जैसे कि DGS एंड रेट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट पे हम लोग इसका ज़्यादा सप्लाई करते थे। MSSIDC और ऐसे गवर्नमेंट प्रोजेक्ट्स में ज़्यादा हम लोग काम करते थे, रिटेल में हमारा नाम नहीं था। इसलिए जैसे गवर्नमेंट में होने के कारण हमारी मशीनरी भी जो थी उतनी अपडेटेड नहीं थी, क्योंकि गवर्नमेंट में प्राइस ज़्यादा मायना रखता है, क्वालिटी से ज़्यादा गवर्नमेंट सप्लाई रहता है, जैसे उसमें वेट का क्राइटेरिया है इस टाइप से, और ज़्यादा कॉन्सेंट्रेशन आपको प्रोडक्शन से ज़्यादा मार्केटिंग में एफर्ट लगाने पड़ते हैं, इसलिए हमारी मशीन भी उतनी अपडेटेड नहीं थी। मैंने 1-2 साल वही काम किया, जब अपने हाथ में लिया तो गवर्नमेंट प्रोजेक्ट पे ज़्यादा ध्यान दिया। ISI नहीं था हमारे पास टैंक के लिए, तो हमने दोबारा अप्लाई किया ISI मार्क के लिए। फिर DGS एंड रेट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट किया, उसमें ज़्यादा सप्लाई की कोशिश की। MSSIDC है, उसमें हमने ट्राई किया, लेकिन गवर्नमेंट में कैसा होता है कि एक साइकिल खत्म होने के लिए करीब 6 महीना लग जाता है। द डे ऑर्डर निकलता है, उसके बाद आपके पास ऑर्डर आता है, आप प्रोडक्शन स्टार्ट करते हैं,